is a video to show Lila how we process tofu and cook it in the air fryer. So, here's what we have. We have our tofu that's been pressed in a tofu press usually we do it overnight, but this has just been done for a couple of hours tonight. We have soy sauce, lots of soy sauce. We have toasted sesame oil, we use lots of that. We have a bowl to mix it up in. We have a cutting board, and we have a big knife. A really big knife. That's very important. And of course, you have to have wine to drink while you're processing all of this. So, first thing is we'll take the tofu out of the tofu press. This tofu press has worked really well, and yours will be there soon, Lila. Take that out, and I like to dump the water out. And then we take the brick out. If it's been sitting in the fridge for a while, you can sit it like overnight, maybe 2 days, not really much more than that. Rinse it. Then I just cut it down the middle. And then I'm just going to start slicing, about that thick, 1/4 inch, a little bit more. If it's too thin, it will fall apart in the air fryer. Now, it's best in our air fryer, we do 1 cube at a time because certain kinder in the household together will eat an entire cube in one evening. We do 2 cubes, but I just do it in 2 batches. So this is 1 batch, and it's a little thick. Let me cut it a little more. So we take that and put it in a bowl, and you kind of want to make sure that they're all separated, and you have to be careful because you don't want them to fall apart. So I separate all these out like this. Separate. Separate. Okay, now here's the secret. I already told you the secret. You take and you put lots of soy sauce on it. Lots. I don't measure, I just put lots. And you take toasted sesame oil or Asian dark sesame oil, whatever you have. Just make sure it's the dark stuff. It smells like sesame oil. Like here, smell. See? See? It like that. It's got to smell
like that.
Smells like nuts. And then you put a lot of sesame oil on it. And you don't need to coat anything in the air fryer once you do that. So then I take this, and I use both hands, and I kind of mix it up. And get it all mixed up. And then I'm going to first I will rinse my hands. At least one hand I need to rinse because I don't want to get oil all over the air fryer. Here's the air fryer basket. And I just take this, and what I want to do is I pull out what I can first. I want to try to save what's left of the soy sauce and sesame oil to pour at the end. So I'm getting this out in here and just kind of spreading it out. It's not that critical. Just putting it out here. Once they're kind of spread out on the bottom, then I put this on top. And then we go over to the air fryer. And I like to just kind of shake it a little bit. I'm going to put it in the air fryer and plug the air fryer in because it's not plugged in. And ours defaults to, I hit start, 370 and 15 minutes. And that's exactly right. So I hit start, and that's pretty much it. When it gets down to 7 or 8 minutes, what you're going to do is take it out and give it a shake and put it back in. And that is the secret to making yummy air fryer tofu. Ariana, what do you think about the tofu?
You can clap now.